Do you find no matter what you do, facial massage, facial exercises and facial yoga, that you still have those nasal labial folds, those smile lines, and they're just not budging? Well, in today's video, we're going to do some really great fascia work. We're going to do a really great anchor release either side here of the nostrils to really help release tight fascia, and also on the cheekbone, again lifting everything up so nothing is dragging and pulling down. So we're lifting everything up here by releasing fascia which may be stuck to your bone area here. So we're releasing that, if you like. Hi, I'm Ali, and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master, the Natural Lift Method. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin and, as always, obviously clean fingers. Now again, I'm using my facial oil, but you can use whatever facial oil you want, but I would recommend using some form of oil so you've got a slip and glide, particularly as we're getting older. And if you're 50 and above, or even 40 actually, we're starting to lose collagen and elastin, and so we don't want to be dragging or pulling at all at the skin. So I'm just applying just above the cheekbone area here and the lower part of the face with the oil, and then just down by the side of the ears and behind the ears, just down by the collarbone area here. So to start off with, we're going to be doing a little bit, we want to be releasing and opening the gateways for the lymph. So where the collarbone is, just above, we've got some indentations here. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will just open up the gateways, if you like. Because when we're doing sort of fascia work, we're also moving toxins and waste within the lymph. So you don't want to be sort of just sitting there, you want it to be released. So where our nose is, let's get on with the first out of two. Where the nose is, either side of our nostrils here, we've got some indentations. So you can take one of your fingers, and if you just go into that and just very gently press, and you can feel that indentation, and then just gently work in a round circular motion. Now this holds quite a lot of tightness, and if it's tight and the fascia's tight, again you end up with those lines which actually start from this anchor and then work its way down. So really starting slow, fairly light, and then you can go in a little bit deeper, making sure the rest of the face is nice and relaxed, and then just working the other way, again really getting in there, releasing any tension around this area. And then taking our fingers, just gliding now under the cheekbone towards the ears. So again, as I've said before, if you have tight fascia, particularly on the bone here, the zygomatic bone, it can actually pull down, and that's when you can end up with those lines and those nasal labial folds. So you want to release this. So placing one hand again as an anchor, and then you can take your knuckle here, and then where the cheekbone is, we don't want to go too high up because of the eye area, but just the middle of the cheekbone to underneath. Just want to place by the nose. You can place a finger as an anchor if you like, and very slowly and gently, this is a sort of a medium touch. You want to move this very, very slowly. You don't want to be dragging skin. You just want to be moving and releasing that fascia all along the bone. And again, you just want to go very, very slow, like a snail. Now you can do this 3 or 4 times a week. You can do it morning or evening, obviously depending how much time you have. Making sure that your jaw is nice and relaxed as well, until you get to literally the hinge parts here of your masseter muscle. And then let's go on to the other side. So again, you can, if you like, use your fingers as an anchor, take our fingers as a hook, so we're using the knuckle. So where the bone is, you don't want to go too high, you don't want to be dragging any of this, but just middle of the cheek area and under the cheekbone. Starting from almost that other acupressure point, which we've just been working on, and then just very, very slowly with a fairly medium touch, so we're just unsticking any tight fascia. And again, I can't stress enough how important it is to use a really good facial oil as well, all the way to the ear. And you can do this 2 or 3 times. So you can, if you like, go even slower. The slower, the better. You don't want to rush this. And if you want to look in the mirror as well, you may find this easier as well. Until we get to the ear. And then just coming off and just releasing that with the fingers, coming in upwards and outwards motion. Very gentle massage now onto the cheekbones. We've worked that quite hard. And again, what we're doing here is removing toxins and waste as well within the lymph, which can be very close to the surface of the skin, and then under the cheekbone, smoothing everything along, just softening everything up, and then lower part of the face, lifting up and across, almost towards the temple area. And when you're doing these fascia exercises, you can always do a couple of deep belly breaths as well, in through the nose and out through the mouth, to really help with blood flow and circulation, oxygen to the neck and the head area. And then just massaging just by the temple area here. And then literally on that masseter muscle. And then just gliding down either side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then with one hand at a time, gliding down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone, and then on the other side. And then our beginning point, if you like, from the chin all the way down where the collarbone is, got those indentations again, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the cheekbone area into the body, ready for elimination. So please comment down below, tell me how you found this facial fascia massage. It's a really great one to really unstick any of that fascia within this zygomatic muscle here and bone. And I really hope you enjoy the video. Please comment down below, and also please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.